Welcome to this guided hypnotherapy session for cord cutting. Cord cutting often refers to the process of energetically releasing emotional ties or attachments to people, situations, or past events. This practice is based on the idea that emotional and energetic connections can persist even after a relationship has ended, and a cord cutting aims to release these ties to promote healing and personal growth. Find a quiet and a comfortable space where you won't be disturbed. Make sure you're in a relaxed position, either sitting or lying down. Close your eyes gently and take a few deep breaths to relax yourself. Today, we embark on a journey of emotional release and healing as we work on cutting off any lingering energetic ties that may be holding you back. As you settle into a comfortable position, let your awareness turn inward. Take a deep breath in, filling your lungs with calming energy, and exhale slowly, releasing any tension. With each breath, allow yourself to let go of the outside world and turn your attention to the inner landscape of your mind. Imagine yourself in a peaceful place of your choice. Perhaps a peaceful nature setting or a quiet room filled with soft, soothing light. Picture this space vividly, engaging your senses as you immerse yourself in this peaceful environment. Feel a sense of safety and calmness enveloping you. As you breathe deeply, bring your awareness to your body. Visualize a gentle, supportive energy surrounding you. This energy is yours to control and direct. Notice any areas of your body that may feel tense or heavy. These sensations might be connected to energetic cords that have formed between you and others. Imagine these cords now, visualizing them as streams of energy extending from your body to the people, situation, or events with which you have emotional ties. Observe the color, thickness, and texture of these cords. There is no judgment here, only observation. Now, as you become aware of these energetic connections, set a clear intention for this session. Affirm to yourself that you are ready and willing to release any cords that no longer serve your highest good. Understand that this process is a powerful act of self-care and liberation. Know that by cutting these cords, you are creating space for your own growth, healing, and well-being. With every cut, you are not cutting love or connection. You are simply releasing attachments that hinder your personal growth. As we move into the cord cutting visualization, imagine a radiant light surrounding you. This light is a symbol of your own personal power and strength. With intention, visualize a pair of scissors or knife, or a powerful glowing blade in your hands. This tool is your instrument of liberation. Begin to identify the first cord that you're ready to release. It may be an old friendship, a toxic relationship, an ex-partner, a work colleague with whom you may be having issues, your spouse, children, etc. focus on any one person at a time when you do this process. As you focus on it, feel the energy flowing through it. With purpose and clarity, bring the scissors or blade to the cord as close as possible to your body. As you cut it, visualize the energy dissipating into the atmosphere, leaving you free from its influence. Sense the immediate release and lightness in that part of your body. Continue this process, moving through each cord one by one. As you cut each cord, notice the sensations of freedom and relief. You are reclaiming your energy, and with each cut, you are stepping into a more empowered and a liberated version of yourself. As you complete the cord cutting process, take a moment to breathe deeply and soak in the newfound sense of liberation. Visualize the radiant light around you intensifying, filling the spaces where the cords were once there with pure healing energy. Affirm to yourself that you are now free from these energetic attachments and that you carry with you only what serves your highest good. Take a few moments to fully integrate in this sense of liberation into your being. As we bring this cord cutting session to a close, know that you can return to this process whenever you feel the need to release and renew. When you're ready, gently bring your awareness back to the present moment. Take a few deep breaths, wiggle your fingers and toes, and when you feel ready, open your eyes. Carry the sense of freedom and empowerment with you as you move forward. You are resilient, you are liberated, and you are ready to embrace the positive changes that await you. Thank you for joining me in this transformative journey. Be well.